Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the watch. Remove the strap and case back so you can access the movement. Use a movement holder to keep the movement from rotating. This prevents accidental damage once hands move. Next, pull the crown into the time setting position. If the movement hacks, stop the seconds to lock the gear train. Once done, clear dust with a blower and carefully remove the crystal or bezel retaining ring so you have unobstructed access to the hands before proceeding. You now align the hour and minute hands to 12:00 so the gear mesh is neutral. This reduces stress on the cannon pinion. With a loop, verify each hand foot position. Use 2 hand levers, sliding them under the hand close to the base and lift straight up with one controlled, steady motion to avoid bending. Remove the second and seconds hand last, using a specialized fork if needed. Once removed, place each hand on a labeled foam card to protect finishes and keep order for reassembly. You refit by placing the hour hand onto the hour post first, using a straight pusher or die to press evenly until seated, then add the minute hand and finally the seconds hand, checking alignment at each step. Once pressed, rotate the crown through 12 hours to confirm no rubbing against the dial or crystal and ensure smooth mesh with the cannon pinion. If hands bind or skip, stop immediately, reseat or replace a bent hand, and verify the cannon pinion isn't loose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.